Pass by. Hello everybody, I'm on the way to DC. We're going to see Nikki. I had to check my PO box real quick, y'all. Y'all can't see. Can y'all see me? This air hitting my scalp feels so good right now. But I'm gonna make sure I fill up on gas. Yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna see Nikki Monday nights at 8 p.m. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to head up there and drive this 2-hour, 50-minute drive. I've been spending money, y'all. Like spending money. Bills been paid. Like I ain't worried about no bills right now. It just feels so good when you take care of your business and now you get to enjoy yourself and have a little pocket change. So that's always a good feeling. No more Portnell tech talk, none of that. You know, I did my homework too yesterday, y'all. Like, yeah, but this business, they want us to do this business plan type of homework. We have a packet about our business and they want us to write down our plans and everything, but I'm gonna have to figure that out when I get back because I don't understand some of the terminology. But yeah, I did the main homework. Like, my homework was find three nail brands, do your research, look at their pricing, equipment, their story, the education, how does a product look and all that, the pricing, yeah. And on, like, my back itching, hold on, because this weave stabbing me, y'all. I ain't gonna say there's pros and cons with braids.
Who wanna play with me?
What's Chanel saying? Hey everybody, I made it to my aunt's house. I'm eating.
But ours is only $17.99. Theirs is way more than that. How's that possible? Easy. We've been in business for over 30 years. Resources on your side. Insurance companies, Logan, Marks, and Harris. Tell them you mean business. At Fox 5, let's get cracking. We have more of everything you want, like, and need in the evenings.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, I'm about to freshen up. I'm waiting on Chanel. Hello everybody. She'll be here in an hour and some change. I'm about to edit my maintenance vlog for Nikki. So I don't have nothing to do. It's Easter. It's Easter. The stores are closed. Most stores are closed. My aunt just ran out and told me. Chanel is 5 minutes away. She should be pulling in now, y'all. I'm about to go downstairs. My auntie's making breakfast, even though it's like 1 o'clock. But yeah, she just got back. Right. Hey. Hey, girl. She's here, everyone. I'm good, looking good. Fun Chanel's here.
Chanel-y.
Yes. It's beautiful outside, y'all. It's a Sunday. We didn't even know it was a holiday. Stores is closed and everything, y'all. We gotta get these plans together. Her stuff over here, you know, her bags are cute. She got the skin, face, hair. You know, I couldn't find me none. But y'all know my stuff under here, you feel me? Mine's out of order, but my auntie's making breakfast. And we gonna see what we're looking forward to doing today. Good.
Like I don't put all of the things in the timeline because I feel like when I see that number, like it's like
What I be thinking, I be like
how is
Lord.
It's funny.
This footage.
that one.
Period. Look at this food. Look at this breakfast, y'all. Let's get into it. My aunt got us right. Look at the aesthetics. Orange juice. We gonna do You ain't vlogging. We outside, y'all. We see Nikki tomorrow. Yep. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, the girlies, we getting something to eat. We spending the bag tonight. Ain't that right?
And that's just that I'm down. Period. Should I leave? Okay, let me take one out.
Hi, girls. We're outside. Y'all see the fit? We at the spot, girly. You found some. All the girlies is here.
So we just made it in here.
So she took me to STK. Never been here before. I love the ambience. The visuals is it. The it girls come here. I see. You see. I don't know. Oh yeah. I don't know who granted me this, but thank you. Shout out to y'all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We make our own damn life.
Cool though. This is good. Try some of this mac and cheese. Yeah. You're welcome, girl. 10 out of 10. Make sure if you've never been, come to STK. It's one near you. It gotta be one near you. Yeah, I'm gonna take RE pictures.
She's showing her panties.
Oh, daddy, I'm showing my panties. I'm shaking like Jenny. You keep on backing up. Let me see.
That look good. Oh, I got that on camera.
Oh,
It's okay.
everybody got a body soul. Yeah. I just thought I want to buy me a new one. I want the can. I think that's good.
Cheers.
Yes.
Good morning.
Right.
It's the pajama.
Oh yeah, we got peak on.
Sets.
Yeah.
I haven't taken this down. I'm gonna put this down.
We so nice.
Cheers. We in Gag City tonight.
Yes,
We in Gag City tonight. Hey!
What's up, everybody? Today's a concert, so we're running to the mall real quick. Mall run to see if we need some things with Chanel Nell. She's been taking me everywhere, y'all. I've been passenger princess for the longest. I'm a little burnt, y'all. I'm a little smashed. I'm a little burnt. But yeah, we about to run up in here and see what they got. It's packed as I don't know what. We can't wear bag. We have to wear clear bags, y'all. No, nothing cute for real. We just gotta have some clear going on. I might just bring my phone. I'm not bringing my camera, so It'll be alright. Y'all gonna see through my phone, but I always see Kara try these star ones out. I haven't seen who makes it.
Smell good. It smell okay.
Who makes it? What brand is this? I mean,
Bonds. Y'all, this is the Baccarat.
this smells good. I wanna if I like it. I think I found me some slides. Yeah, y'all, I came in here to find me some Skims because I'm glad I didn't order it online. With cream. And I'm gonna get a top with it, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to get ready, speed ready. Ready to go see Nicki Minaj. It's time to go see Nicki.
You niggas is the worst. Savage, snatch you out your crib, then drop you in a hearse. Baby, please bring me nervous. Got reaching in your purse. Nigga went and bought a house when he could've bought a verse. Niggas dumb as fuck. Niggas dumb as fuck. Niggas dumb as fuck. Niggas dumb as fuck. Niggas broke, 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 broke. Niggas dumb as fuck. Niggas dumb as fuck. Niggas dumb as fuck. Niggas dumb as fuck. Niggas broke.
I forgot how it
Y'all, I'm leaving the camera here. Makeup is fun. I put a little heart right here, y'all, for Gag City. Hope you guys like it. I will see you guys at the place. I'm leaving my camera here though.
Jacket, I'm still queen. I'm still 22. Red ruby, the sleeves, Chinese on my sneakers. One of where? With these big beats, I'm in LA Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today's the last day. It's time for me to go home. I was supposed to go home yesterday, y'all, but my car is getting towed. I just wanna my car is getting towed back home because y'all, when I got my car fixed in the hood, they didn't properly fix it. Like my undercarriage under my Honda, like my undercarriage, the plastic that seals everything in and protects everything came down. Big chunk of plastic dragging under the car, bro, under my tire, y'all. I was like, what is that smell? It smell like smoke. So I had stopped and was like, yeah, there's no way we're getting under here and ripping that plastic off to repair it. There's no way. So I'm getting towed at the house until I can get this situated because I have class tonight and it looks like I'm not gonna make it. So yeah, my aunt said they told me it's coming in 20 minutes and he's gonna have to drive like 2 hours and some change to my house to drop the car off. And I'm leaving so I can get situated for class today, but I'm still 2 hours and 50 minutes away. I'm still in the DC area, y'all. Chanel has left yesterday. In the midst of all this happened, we were supposed to go to the mall one last time and that happened. So I had to stop in the driveway. Yeah, this is my aunt's sweatshirt, so I'm gonna make sure I get this Supreme sweatshirt back to her. I did wash my face, brush my teeth. I took my bag out of my car because, like I said, y'all, the toolman is coming. So exciting, right? I go back to work Thursday morning, so I'm not like, oh my god, I gotta get to work. But school tonight, I don't know if I want to get on my Zoom. I can get on Zoom for an hour for nail school, or I can go to school tonight at 6 for 3 hours, more hours for me. But I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't know, cause I'm not gonna be able to get there, and my nail school from my house is now an hour, cause they moved further. So we're gonna see. I could just hop on my phone, but I don't have my books, so that's why I was supposed to be home yesterday, y'all. But let me add this to the album. Grandma. So it's cool that I get to see my grandma or whatever. I'm excited. I'm hungry too. Here are all the Laura. Yeah. We ain't even played it. Sound like he outside. Let me go downstairs. Wait. Oh shoot, he is here. Everybody, I'm home finally. I'm home. I just got out the shower. And I have to work tomorrow. My aunt, I got here by like 12:31. I need a deep spring clean, y'all. For sure, I need a spring clean. Real bad. It's not giving. In tonight's vlog, y'all, I had so much fun seeing Nicki Minaj. Like, y'all came with me to experience. Yo, I just want to say goodnight, y'all. I love y'all so much. Bye.